Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you to our YouTube channel TNB Academy, your trusted platform for compliance, ISO standards, audits and training. In today's session, we are going to talk about something very essential yet often overlooked, the communication strategy for ISO 37003, which is the international guidance standard for whistleblowing management systems. Why is communication so important in a whistleblowing program? Because if people don't know how to report wrongdoing or don't feel safe doing it, then even the best designed systems fail. Let's understand how to build, implement, and sustain an effective communication strategy for ISO 37003. What is ISO 37003? First, a quick refresher. ISO 37003 provides guidance, not requirements, for establishing and operating a whistleblowing management system. It supports organizations in building a culture where people can report unethical or illegal conduct without fear of retaliation. The standard covers areas like policy creation, protection of whistleblowers, case handling procedures, confidentiality safeguards, and of course, communication. In fact, communication is a core component because awareness and trust are what activate the system. Why a communication strategy is crucial? Now let's go deeper into the why. Just having a whistleblowing hotline or policy isn't enough. Employees and stakeholders must know that it exists, know how to use it, know they will be protected, and believe the organization takes reports seriously. Here is a real example. Imagine an organization has a strong whistleblowing policy, but never tells employees about it clearly. Then a junior staff member sees corruption, but has no idea how or where to report it safely. This is exactly why communication is the lifeline of whistleblowing systems. It increases trust, transparency, and participation. And most importantly, it helps in detecting fraud, harassment, bribery, and other misconduct at an early stage. Core objectives of the communication strategy. So, what are the goals of a whistleblowing communication strategy? Let's break it down into 5 key objectives. Create awareness. Make sure everyone knows a whistleblowing system exists. Educate. Teach people how to identify wrongdoing and how to report it. Build trust. Show that whistleblowers are protected and taken seriously. Encourage youth. Promote an open speak-up culture. Reinforce continuously. Don't let awareness fade. Keep the message alive year-round. When these goals are achieved, whistleblowing becomes a natural and respected part of your organization's culture. Who needs to be reached? A great communication strategy doesn't use a one-size-fits-all approach. You must tailor your message for different audiences. Employees, from interns to the CEO, everyone should know how to raise concerns. Contractors and consultants. These temporary staff often see issues but may hesitate to speak up. Third parties. Vendors, suppliers, and agents need awareness too. Board members and leadership. They must lead by example and support the system openly. Each group should receive messages appropriate to their role, responsibility, and risk exposure. What to communicate? Now let's answer the key question. What exactly should your communication strategy include? Here are the essential elements. What is whistleblowing? Define it clearly. Give examples like fraud, sexual harassment, bribery, safety violations, or conflict of interest. How to report? Explain step by step how to make a report via hotline, email, web portal, or in person. What happens after reporting? Let them know the process. Who reviews the report? What timeliness to expect? How confidentiality is maintained? What protection is available? Assure them that retaliation is not allowed and that action will be taken against anyone who tries to silence a whistleblower. Real-life case studies. Share stories of past cases, that is anonymized, to show that the system works and whistleblowers were respected. Contact points. Mention the names or roles of people responsible, such as compliance officers or ombudspersons. How to communicate. Now let's talk about the channels and tools to deliver your messages. Use a mix of methods to reach everyone effectively. Videos and animations. Great for explaining processes in a simple way. Emails and newsletters for regular updates and reminders. Posters and signage in cafeterias, offices, and factories. Intranet and employee portals, a dedicated section for whistleblowing info. Live session and onboarding training. Make it part of the induction process. Mobile app notifications. If your staff is mobile or remote, the key is to keep the message visible, relevant, and engaging. Launching and maintaining the communication plan. Before you launch your whistleblowing system, prepare a campaign. Get leadership to record a short video endorsing the system. Create posters and banners that highlight the benefits of speaking up. Use a countdown or teaser campaign to build awareness. On launch day, conduct a short session to demonstrate the reporting process. Then keep it alive. Set a calendar to communicate at regular intervals, monthly, quarterly, or during compliance week. Use reminders, quizzes, and real stories to maintain engagement. Measuring effectiveness. How do you know if your communication strategy is working? Track indicators like number of reports received, number of people trained or reached, feedback from surveys or focus groups, trends in types of concerns raised, reduction in anonymous or low detail reports. These metrics help refine your strategy and improve outreach. Let's close this with a few best practices. Use a positive tone, highlight ethics and accountability, not fear. Normalize reporting. Frame whistleblowing as a service to the organization. Celebrate ethical behavior. Give recognition for integrity. Protect and support whistleblowers. This builds long-term trust and, most importantly, treat communication as a continuous process, not a one-time task. So that is your complete guide to building a communication strategy for ISO 37003. Communication is the heartbeat of any whistleblowing program. Without it, policies and hotlines remain silent. With it, your organization creates a culture where honesty thrives. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your compliance team, and don't forget to subscribe to TNB Academy for more expert content on ISO standards and corporate ethics. Thank you for watching, and remember, speaking up starts with trust. Let's build that trust through better communication. And I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.